Good morning, students of standard 12. Welcome in day 4. As you know that in day 3 I have finished chapter 1 indefinite integral, okay, in which I have solved some questions and I have given to solve rest of the question from exercise 1. Okay, so students, today I will start chapter 2 in calculus, methods of integration. Okay, so kindly request all of you, please sit with your reference book and turn page number IC 17. Okay, IC 17 chapter 2, and in this topic there are 3 methods to solve any question by methods of integration. There are 3 methods. First method is integration by substitution, okay, and the second method is integration by using trigonometric identities, okay, and the third one is integration by parts. In this exercise, in this chapter, there are 3 exercises, 2a, 2b and 2c, in which I will teach you integration by substitution, first method for exercise 2a. So today I will start to explain what is integration by substitution, okay, and you will solve exercise 2a by this method, okay. Let us see. If we have to evaluate an integral of the type, suppose that this is the function, you have to find the integration of f of phi x dot phi dash x dx, then we put phi of x is equal to t. Okay, suppose this is the original function f of x is equal to t. You will suppose f of x is equal to t. This is not compulsory. You will suppose always t. You will suppose u, y, x, y, z, any one of them. Okay, and phi dash x dx is equal to dt. Phi dash x is here. This is the first derivative of phi function phi x. Okay, so let us see here. In 11th class, you have studied this. If phi of x is equal to t, then you have to find the differentiation of phi x with respect to x. Okay, that means d by dx, phi of x is equal to d by dx t. That means you will add just d by dx left side in the right side, and now this becomes the first derivative, first differentiation, and it is represented by phi dash x. Okay, this is phi dash x. Now it becomes phi dash x is equal to dt by dx. Okay, that means phi dash x, this use transfer rule, dx is equal to dt. Okay, see here, if phi of x is equal to t and phi dash x dx, phi dash x dx is equal to dt, with this substitution the integral becomes easily integrable. That means integrand will be solved by easily by integration by substitution method. Okay, there are certain cases you have to solve. So let us see case number 1. When the integrand is of the form f of ax plus b, then we put ax plus b is equal to t. I have told you that first of all you will suppose the function is equal to t, okay, and the function is here ax plus b is equal to t, okay, and now it becomes dx is equal to 1 by a dt. How is it possible? Let us see. Your function is ax plus b is equal to t. Ax plus b is equal to t. Now you will differentiate the term d ax plus b by with respect to x dx. Okay, then it becomes dt by dx. And you have studied in class level, this is constant term, now it becomes a and x, dx by dx 1 plus constant term. Differentiation of constant should be 0. So this is completely a. Okay, and dt by dx. That means a dx is equal to dt. Okay, this finally becomes the first derivative of ax plus b is equal to t. The first derivative of this term is ax is equal a dx is equal to dt. Okay, that means dx is equal to this is a, now it becomes 1 by a dt. Okay, so we can say that, so once again case 1, when the integrand is of the form f of ax plus b, we put ax plus b is equal to t. Okay, ax plus b is equal to t. Then after you will differentiate, you will find the first derivative of the given function with respect to x, and now this becomes dx is equal to 1 by a dt. This is the first case. Okay, now let us see second case, case number 2. Students, see case number 2. When the integrand is of the form s to the power n minus 1 dot f x to the power n, then we put x to the power n is equal to t, then it becomes n x to the power n minus 1 dx is equal to dt. Let's see here how it is possible. Let x to the power n is equal to t, then you will find the first derivative of x to the power n, then it becomes dt by dx. Okay, now you know x to the power n, it becomes n x to the power n minus 1 is equal to dt by dx. N x to the power n minus 1, or it becomes dx is equal to dt. Okay, see there, if you will put x to the power n is equal to t, then it becomes n x to the power n minus 1 dx is equal to dt. Okay, you will apply case 2 when the function is integrand is x to the power n minus 1 dot f x to the power n. Okay, now see case number 3. When the integrand is of the form f of x to the power n dot f dash x, that means first derivative of fx, then we put f of x is equal to t, and it becomes f dash x, that means first derivative of x dx is equal to dt. Let us see here. You have to suppose here f of x is equal to t. Okay, we put f of x is equal to t. Now differentiate the function of x, d by dx. F of x is equal to dt by dx. This is the first derivative, and you have to write here f dash x. Second derivative, you will put here second dash. This is first derivative, so you will write here f dash x is equal to dt by dx. Now it becomes f dash x dx is equal to dt. Okay, so here where you will suppose f of x is equal to t, then f dash x dx is equal to dt. Okay, now case number 4, last case. When the integrand is of the form f dash x by f of x, then you will suppose again f of x is equal to t, then it becomes f of f dash x dx is equal to dt, just like case number 3. That means case number 3 and case number 4, you have to suppose same term, function of x is equal to t, and then you will differentiate, you will find the first derivative of the given function with respect to x, then you will find f dash x dx is equal to dt. Students, today I have discussed about methods of integration, in which I have discussed one method, methods by substitution. Okay, so student, today's class over, and today's homework is, this is homework for day 4. Learn methods of integration. That means you will practice on only first method, methods by substitution, and in next class, in day 5, I will solve some theorems regarding this method. Okay, thanks to all of you to listen me. Have a nice day.